Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about null safe joins. So when we join two tables, we join it on a when we do inner join or any join for that matter. So ideally we join two tables on a common joining key, and we will see now like what happens when that joining key is having null values. So for the implementation, I have created two tables, table A with two columns ID A and name A, and another table called table B, ID having columns ID B and name B. So now I will try to join in these two tables, but before that I have to insert some random values. So I'm inserting table A with these values 1 comma John 2 comma David, and in the third instance I am inserting a null value in the ID A column. Okay, and in the table B, I'm inserting 1 comma Julie, null comma Julian, and null comma Juliet. So these are just random values, but only thing just that I'm specifically inserting here is the null values. So we will see like when we do inner join, what happens to the null values? How does these null records react to the join operation? So let's move forward. So I hope that till far it is clear to you. So now I will just write a join statement. Say select star from table A, join table B. Let's add some aliases here so that we need not write the full table name all the times. So ID A is equal to B dot ID B. So this is what is our join query is. So we are doing an inner join here, and I'll just delete all these queries so that we can run this statement here. So there is some error. Okay, I think it needs as key here. Okay, it's not allowing me to give aliases. Maybe this online compiler is doesn't support this. I don't know what is the reason. Let me just write the entire table and name, and let's okay, okay, and let me just see here if it is giving correct value or not. No, I don't know what is the error here. Select star from table A, join table B, table A dot IDA, table B dot star from. Okay, okay. Yeah. So here we see that this one, this one of table A joins with this one of table B, right? This one of table A joins with this one of table B, and that is what we are getting here. I'll just do this. Let's, yeah. So this is what we are getting, right? ID A, ID B with values 1. So this one joins with this one. This 2 doesn't join with any of the rows in table B because we don't have a 2 here in the ID B column. And this null doesn't join with these nulls, right? So in the interview you can ask the interviewer like how does he want to handle the null values. So if he doesn't want to include nulls in the join, then this output is fine. We can have write just this query, and whatever output you are getting, that will be sufficient for you to pass the interview. But if the interviewer says that he wants to do join on null values also, so what you need to do is you have to add one more condition here to join null values. So for that, yeah, for that you have to add an or statement here. So basically now you will be joining on this condition, table A dot IDA equal to table B dot IDB, or IDA is null and IDB is null. So I'll just mention the table names also so that it doesn't give any error. IDB is null, right? So in this case, what will happen? This null will join with this null and this null as well, right? Because here table A value, IDA value is null and table B IDB value is null. Here also table B IDB value is null. So ideally, like when we'll run this query, we will get the null rows also in the output. So let's go ahead and run this query once. Yeah. So you can see here that we got here two null rows because this null this null joined with this null, this null and this null. So we got two extra rows here having null values in both IDA and IDB. Better I should print the name also so that it will be more clearer for you to understand. So I'll just write here name A and name B. So let me just delete all this. Yeah, yeah, you can see here now. So this joined with Julie, right? John and Julie, you can see here, and the IDA value is 1 and IDB value is 1. So this is a valid join. And to join these null values, this null Jack will join with null Julian. So you can see here that Jack has joined with Julian, and then again this Jack will join with Juliet, right? Jack has joined with Juliet here, you can see in the output. And these are the null values here for IDA and IDB. So yeah, this is how you do null safe joins. So it is better to always ask the interviewer how he wants to handle the null cases so that you can accordingly make changes in your queries, join query. So like the video if you have learned something out of it, and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. And I'll be coming up with a lot of different types of videos like coding problems and interview experiences and some technologies, data engineering related to data engineering, data science, and machine learning in the future. So if you want to have access to those videos, just subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.